Lectric Ebike XP 2.0 checklist. Once out of the box, review the checklist, as recommended by Lectric. Tools to consider: adjustable wrench, air compressor, pump, screwdriver. List is often attached to the e-bike's rear rack. We will go over some of the items on this list in this video. Check that the brakes are functioning properly. Depress the front brake and look for motion there. Depress the rear brakes. Look for motion there. Using a pump and pressure gauge or compressor, air pressure depends on the tire size. This will vary based on your XP model. The XP 2.0 has 3-inch tires and recommends 30 psi. Keep in mind, tire pressure can be altered depending on terrain. 25-28 psi can be used for soft or loose surfaces. The lower pressure creates a flatter surface and grips the terrain better. Repeat the process on the second tire. Keep in mind that lower pressure on the front tire will make turning a bit less efficient. Here we are using an air compressor with a nozzle that has a gauge built in. Take a second look at the braking mechanism. Now let's check the pressure dials for the shocks. In an up-and-coming video, we covered checking the tension clasp on the handlebars, seat post, and much more. And finally, the chain tension and gear mechanisms. See more e-bike content now at Push the Button.